Namaste Philippines, hello Region 1, aloha sa Caribbean learners, airing live from the Blue capital of the Philippines and Carlos City. You're tuning into CCN Broadcast Center, a virtual home of every SEC learner, where passion is the key, learning paves the way. With our division mantra, developing creativity, maximizing versatility. This is your CCN Broadcast Center. CCN Broadcast Center, a virtual home of every SEC learner.
Good day, grade 5 learners! Welcome to science class. I am Teacher Dal, your virtual teacher for today. It's science time, it's science time. Let's all be ready now. It's science time. One more time. It's science time, it's science time. Let's all be ready now. It's science time. So let's start. Get electrified. Science 5, Quarter 3, Module 4. We're now on Lesson 2. Our objective, infer the condition necessary to make the bulb light up. Alright, so before we start, we have a pre-activity. Okay, can you identify the pictures given below? So we start now. Are you excited? Yes, I know you're excited. So let's start. What do you call this picture? It is what? You're right, light bulb. The next one. What is this? Yes, it's a refrigerator. The next one. What do you call this one? It is flat iron. You're right again. The next one. Oven toaster? No, it's not. It's what? Washing machine. The next one. Keypad. What do you call that? Still in keypad. It's yes, cell phone or mobile phone. How about this one? Very useful gadget. It is? Yes, laptop. The next one. To keep you fresh. Yes, it is what? Electric fan. The last one. It is? Yes, what's that? It's electric oven. Have you tried turning electric devices on and off? Yes, I'm sure. Have you seen it function? But if there's a light on your cell phone, wow, my cell phone is functioning, okay? Why is it you need to turn it off? The appliances or gadgets when not in use. To save what? Yes, you're right. To save electricity. What else? Yes, so that the appliances will be longer. Their life will be longer. What else? To keep you safe. So remember, you always turn it off, the other appliance or gadgets that you're going to use. Okay? So are you careful in handling electrical devices? I'm sure your mommy, your daddy, your ate, your kuya, they're always reminding you to be careful in handling electrical devices because you might get accident. Because what? Electricity, most of our gadgets are powered by using electricity. From radios, okay, the radios that are using, especially in MAPE, okay, you're using radio to do your dancing movement, your performance tasks. Also in PLE, you're using the microwave or rice cooker or electric stove for your cooking session or your cooking demo. So you have to be very careful in handling those electrical devices. Okay? Okay. So we move on. So we have to review. Name me. Label the parts of a simple direct current electric circuit shown in figure 1. Write your answer in your science notebook. So this is a sort of review. Alright. So I have on this slide number 1. So you see the number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So bring out your pencil and your paper. Write down your answer. Come on, come on. So, what are the parts of electric or simple direct circuit? Okay. So number 1, yes, you're right. Load or light bulb. Number 2, that is battery or power source. Number 3, conductors or wires. And number 4 is switch. Okay. So an electric circuit is composed of interconnected electrical components. These components form a complete path of an electric circuit. So this should be complete. There is a load, power or source, connectors, and switch. Alright, so parts of an electrical circuit. Okay, moving. That is the 1, the power source. The source of energy to move the electrons may be a dry cell, that is the example, battery, generator, or a solar cell. So look at our diagram there. 1 moving there, that is power source. The 3 is the switch, and 2 is the bulb. So if you close that, it is a complete, and there's a light, a switch. And then we move on to the next part, the load. A load is an output device that uses electricity, such as a light bulb, appliances, computers, and gadgets. So, yan. Look at the diagram. Okay. Number 1 again. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, moving. Okay. That is power or the battery. Next is the switch, and the next one is the load. We move on. Number 3, switch. Controls the flow of electricity. Can connect or disconnect the path of electric current. So yun yung nagko-control. So that is our diagram again. Okay, 1 again is the power or the source or the battery. Number 3, and that is the number 3 is the switch, and number 2 is the light bulb. Okay, and the last is the connector, the wire or other conductors that link all the parts of the circuit and create a path where current flows. Metals like silver, copper, and aluminum wire are good conductors of electricity. Oh, yeah, you watch the diagram. Then 1, the load, the battery, the source, the switch. Number 2 is the light bulb. And okay, so that's it. The parts of an electric circuit. Good job, children. So now, this is our lesson for today. Lesson 2, open and close circuit. Alright. So how many appliances and gadgets do you have? I know you have so many appliances you have, like computers, laptops, gas range, electric fan, and so on and so forth. So most of the gadgets, most of the objects around us, like in your home, is powered by electricity. Okay, by electricity through the wires. Okay, through the wires. All right. So there are connectivity from your radios, from your computers. Okay, computers. How does electricity flow? Okay, to your appliances and gadgets. Okay, if you switch on the radio, you're like dancing like that. Oh, why is it functioning? Why is it you are hearing some sound from the radio? How does it work? Okay, so that is our question. So continuity of an electric circuit. So when we say closed circuit, the bulb, you look at the drawing, the bulb switch on. A closed circuit makes the bulb light up because, there is the reason, the path of electricity is complete. Okay, complete. There is the battery or the source, there is the load, there is the connector, and there is the switch. So electric current flows, okay, from the power source to the device, then back to the source again. Okay, so that is the closed circuit. Makes the bulb light up. Switch on. Okay, the next one. So this is the diagram. So look at it. It is closed. There's the connector. Okay, the light bulb. Switch on. There's the battery source. And this is the switch. Okay, so when we say closed circuit, switch on. That is the magic word. Okay, the next one is open circuit. Switch off. So when electricity does not flow in this kind of circuit because there is a gap. So look at the gap. Look at the connector. The blue one, the negatively charged. There is a gap or no complete path from one end of the circuit to the other end. And it is an open circuit. An electrical device does not work. Okay, in this case, in figure, on the left, the bulb does not light up. So, when we say open circuit, guys, children, listen, switch off. The electricity does not flow in this kind of circuit. Okay, so clear. Alright, so this is the diagram. So, what can you see? You look at the color of the light bulb. It's white. So that means it is off. Alright? And the power source, there is a power source. But you look at the switch. Okay? It is lifted. Nakataas. Okay? Because there's a gap. There is a gap. There is no electricity flowing on this kind of circuit. Okay? So that is open circuit. Switch off. That is the magic word. Okay? You're still with me? Hi? Okay. So remember, you look at the drawing, you look at my slide. Okay? So the open circuit, there is the light bulb is off. While on the closed circuit, the light bulb is on. So those are the things that you're going to remember. Okay? So in closed circuit, there is electricity that flows. While on the open circuit, there is no electricity because there is a gap. No complete path. Alright, so remember that, guys, okay? Okay, to give emphasis on our lesson, so you have to identify. Look at the pictures, okay? Prepare again your pencil and your paper. If you think the bulb will light up, draw a bulb. A simple drawing lang. If not, draw an X. So, are you ready? I'm sure you are ready. Okay? I'm sure you are ready. Okay. So, let's start again. The activity 2. Identify me. Okay. Look at the diagram. The first one and the second one. Okay? What you're going to do, you draw a bulb. If it is, the bulb would light up. And draw X if it is not. Okay, 3 and 4. I'm giving you time. It's science time. It's science time. That's all we're ready now. It's science, science time. Alright. The next one. Draw a bulb or X. Come on, children, do it. Now, lots of time pa. Join me in learning. Alright, so this is the answer. You check your own paper. Be honest, okay? Okay, the answer is 1. 1 light bulb up and X. Light bulb on. 3 and 4. You check if you did the right thing. Okay. Number 4. That is the correct answer. The next one. What is your answer? 5. The bulb is on and X on the next number. Good job. 6 over 6? Yes. Good job. Now, the sign, electricity is very, very essential in us, okay? So you can look around, you use electricity, but, however, if you use not properly, use in like you are so, you are not, hindi ka masyadong careful in handling those, you can make an accident like this. Short circuits occur. Even what? Electric shock. What else? Even death. Okay? So, how short circuit occur? The first one is the faulty appliances. If you know that your electric fan is not working anymore, don't plug it because it might cause what? Faulty appliance na yan. Might cause short circuit. So look at the different appliances shown in my slide. Washing machine, flat iron, oven toaster, even laptop, okay, gas range, TV. So those are that is the number 1 faulty appliance that occur, that short circuit occur. The next one is incorrect and damaged wiring. So look at the wiring. The cord is already, okay, damaged. Okay, so short circuit may occur on this particular situation. Incorrect and damaged wiring. The next one, you look at the board. Electrical appliances in contact with water. Oh, there's a hair dryer there. He's inside the bathroom. So, electrical appliances in contact with water, short circuit may occur. Next, down power lines. Okay, down power lines. The next one, lightning strike. Okay, so short circuit may also occur. Okay, do you know why some people experience electric shock or get electrocuted? Oh, may nabalitaan na ba kayo? Because our bodies are good electrical conductors. Our bodies can conduct electricity better when our skin is wet. That is why it is not advisable to insert a metal or plug into an electrical outlet with wet, bare hands. So don't do that, okay? Don't insert any metal on the socket, okay? You might get electrocuted, okay? So, safety rules in using electricity to avoid that short circuit, to avoid electric shock, okay, even death. So, you must follow the safety rules in using electricity. So, number 1 rule, pull the plug, not the wire, okay? Pull the plug, not the wire. So, look at the drawing of the picture. The next one, never use wet outlets or those deep into the water. So, avoid that, okay? Never use that outlet because it is wet. The next one, when you are not using your appliances, turn them off. So, si Mommy, switch off niya yung light, and the baby or the boy, off din niya yung TV. So, that's a good practice. So, don't ever leave the room, your house or your home, naka-on lahat to save energy and to keep you safe. Go unplug for safety and saving, okay? You are saving. Next, number 4, never stick or insert a metal or any object into an electric gadgets or electric. You look at the boys, no, ate. Don't insert that fork, don't insert that metal, okay? So never do that, children, please, okay? The next one, the 5 rules. Stay away from electric power lines when flying a kite. Do not climb, okay? You are not a lineman. Do not climb on power post 2. So, if ever you are playing a kite, okay, don't go near power lines. Go to the space that is no power lines, okay? Dun sa maganda, dun sa garden, okay? So, do not climb also, okay? Do not climb on power post 2. Next, do not plug too many appliances into an outlet. Called overloaded outlet. So, look at, ang daming nakasaksak, okay? That's what we call octopus connection. Because can cause fire. Okay? Fire starter yan. Okay? So, do not plug too many appliances. Okay? The next one. 7. Call a qualified electrician if you want to repair your faulty wiring or broken appliances. Do not repair them yourself if you are not trained to do so. Okay? So, you have to call a qualified, yung talagang electrician, okay? The next one, 8, yes, cover electrical outlets with plastic cups, especially if there are children in your home. So you cover it if you're not used, especially this in the lower area of your house. So if you have a sibling, so you have your little brother and sister, they might get electrocuted. You cover it with a plastic cups. Okay. Now, safety measure. So we study the pictures, right check, mark if it shows safety measures and using electricity, and X mark if it is not. Write your answer in your science notebook. So this is the, you have to check if it is safety measures, you have to X if it is not. Okay, ready? I know you're ready. Okay, this is number 1. You look at the picture. Is that safe or not? And 2 also. Three and 4. So easy. Number 3, wet hands on switches. Number 4, never stick metal on electric outlet. Okay, ready? We're going to check. Check your answer. Okay, bare electric wires. So that is X. And the octopus wiring. No to octopus wiring. Next one. Yes. Wet hands, cross out. Never stick metal. It's yes, kasi never. Okay? So safety measures. Unscramble the letters to find the message. Alright. So write your answer in your science notebook again. Okay? Okay. Ready? Start. Okay. Status of a circuit that is complete and unbroken with flowing electric current. That's the unscrambled letters. Number 2, a flow of electrical charges. What do you call that? Number 3, status of a circuit that has breaks or openings in which electric current cannot flow. There is a gap. Okay, there is no complete path. What do you call that? Next one, number 4, the unbroken path along which an electric current flows. And number 5, opens and closes the circuit, the one that controls the electric circuit. All right. So are you ready? Check your own. So number 1 is, the answer is closed circuit. Number 2, a flow of electrical charges. It is current. Number 3, open. Status of a circuit that has breaks or openings in which electric current cannot flow. Number 4, it's circuit. And number 5, opens and closes the circuit. It is switch. Okay. So what is the difference between the open and closed circuit? So like I've said, a closed circuit allows the current or allows the electricity to flow. But an open circuit leaves electrons stranded. My God. Okay, what should you do when you are not using your appliances? Yes, you're right. You should always turn them off. Turn them off. What should you do? Not when your hands are wet and you are near electrical devices. So, what will you do? Do not touch Get away from that electrical devices. Do not touch light switches or plugs of appliances. Get away, okay? Don't ever touch when your hands, okay, when your hands or your body is wet. Alright, so assessment time, read and understand the sentences. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so the first one. Which of this is a source of electrical energy? A. Battery. B. Light bulb. Alright, next. Which of this controls the flow of electric current? Battery, light bulb, or switch? Number 3. When the switch is on, the electric circuit is A. Broken, closed, or open? And number 4. Which of the circuits will current flow? A. Closed, B. Open, C. Short circuit. And number 5. What should you do when you want to repair faulty wirings or broken appliances? Call a qualified electrician, do it by yourself, or never seek a professional. So what is the answer? Number 1. Which of this is a source of electrical energy? What is your answer? It is? Yes, it is the battery. Number 2. Which of this controls the flow of electric current? A. Battery, B. Light bulb, C. Switch. What is your answer, children? It is the switch. Next, number 3. When the switch is on, the electric circuit is A. Broken, B. Closed, C. Open. Yes, it's closed. Next, which of the circuits will current flow? A. Closed circuit, B. Open circuit, C. Short circuit. Please. Close. Alright, number 5. What should you do when you want to repair faulty wirings or broken appliances? Call a qualified electrician, do it by yourself, or never seek a professional. Yes, it's letter A. Great work. Keep it up. Okay, you have your assignment. Draw and differentiate. Okay, close and open circuit. Write them on your science notebook. Okay, you just draw and differentiate close and open circuit. So we have a rubrics here. It's 100%. So those are your assignment. Thank you for listening. Bye, children. See you next time. Thank you so much. God bless us all.
Good day, Philippines. Hello, Region 1. Aloha, San Carolinian learners. Airing live from the Mango capital of the Philippines, San Carlos City. You're tuning into CCN Broadcast Center, a virtual home of every SDO-SEC learner, where passion is the key. Learning paves the way. With our division mantra, developing creativity, maximizing versatility. This is your CCN Broadcast Center. CCN Broadcast Center, a virtual home of every SDO-SEC learner.